What if you could make a tutorial video in seconds? Well, SlideVids allows you to do that. Let's go through the process of creating one. So I'm going to do a video on phishing. Phishing is the attacking your accounts by pretending to be something else. So it could be an email saying that, hey, you need to log in here. It looks exactly like your email account, but it's not. It's another website, but it's going to take your password and username. Okay, pretty simple. Phishing, what is it? We'll hit the generate slides button. Okay. What is phishing? Unlocking the scam. There we go. So I'm going to set some images for this. Make my slide deck look nice to the eye. So I've got some pop-ins there, Roboto. I'm going to set the colors here. So we've got our title, what is phishing? Unlocking the scam. I'm going to use the classic title slide first up. Fraudulent attempts to steal info, pretending to be trustworthy sources, common target, email, and messages. I'm just going to drop that in the speaker notes. So the speaker notes here, this is what the AI is going to use to narrate our slide deck in our video. So we've got full control there over what it is going to say, and we can easily make changes, put it into practice, see if we like it, and then of course we can edit it later, but we're not too worried about it now. We'll just quickly zip through, go through and add some content. Again, I'm happy with that. Just trying to keep some consistency there with the fonts and like, so I'll keep those the same. Let's keep the background the same. And again, we'll add pop-ins there. Might change the layout slightly. 2 column, we've got 4, so nicely evenly side by side at those bullet points. Make sure I've got all the background colors how I want them. Background color is actually not going to matter because I'm going to have it replaced by that background image. And then finally, the last one there. Okay, I'm happy with that. Hit the next button there. I'm going to select a voice. So I've got quite a few voices to choose from. The pro ones sound slightly better. And I'm going to use Sky as one of the voices I quite like. I'm going to set the landscape orientation. I'm going to set the codec H.264 and resolution 1080p. Pretty standard stuff for video output. And then I'm going to click the next button, save our timeline. So now we have a set of slides, 5 in total. We've got an overview there, what the content is, what the speaker notes are, a little bit of an indication of the sort of layout there. Not too drastically varied. First up, I'm going to generate the audio. So this is the narration. This is the speaker notes spoken by the AI voice that we selected, which was that Sky voice. If we click generate audio, it's going to go through the process of generating each individual slide. And you can see there it's trying to do it all in parallel as fast as possible. All right, we should be able to listen to these now.
Phishing is one of the most common cyber scams. Phishing involves pretending to be someone trusted To dodge phishing, look out for warning signs, messages that create a sense of urgency.
Great, that's sounding good. I'm going to hit the generate video button. So SlideVids is now going to take those audio files that we've previously generated. It's going to take the content of the slide decks themselves, merge it all together, and we'll get a video at the end of it. Based on our settings there, it's going to be a 1080p video, and it's going to be a landscape orientation. So you can have it in a portrait if you want to upload it, say, to TikTok or Instagram, depending on the site that you want to post it to. You can choose the orientation there. And video is ready to download. Let's download.
Phishing is one of the most common cyber scams. Phishing involves pretending to be someone trustworthy, like your bank or a coworker, to trick you into revealing sensitive information. It's mainly done through emails or messages that look legitimate but are designed to deceive. Understanding this is the first step in protecting yourself. Let's explore how it works. In a typical phishing attack, you receive an email or message that looks like it's from a trusted source. It often contains a link to a fake website that mimics the real one. When you enter your login info or personal details, cybercriminals capture it all. The goal? Steal passwords, credit card info, or other sensitive data. Recognizing these tactics helps you stay safe. There are several types of phishing you'll encounter. Spear phishing targets specific individuals or companies with customized messages. Clone phishing copies legitimate emails but replaces links or attachments with malicious ones. Vishing and smishing involve fake phone calls or texts designed to extract information. Knowing these types helps you recognize suspicious activity. To dodge phishing, look out for warning signs. Messages that create a sense of urgency or threats, strange or misspelled email addresses, poor grammar, and unexpected links or attachments. These are common tricks to lure you into clicking or revealing info. Stay alert and verify before acting. Protecting yourself from phishing involves simple but effective steps. Always verify who sent the message, especially if it asks for personal info. Resist clicking on suspicious links and use strong, unique passwords for each account. Enable two-factor authentication for added security, and keep your software and apps updated to patch vulnerabilities. These habits make a big difference.
You can see it's super simple to make a video in SlideVids that's professional looking and sounding, and in a matter of minutes, looks great. Try it out. SlideVids.com.